Did you know that Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a ring system just like Saturn? It's true. This behemoth of a planet, known for its grandeur and mystique, harbors a secret often overshadowed by Saturn's more visually striking rings. Jupiter's rings are faint, elusive, and not easily visible to the naked eye, making them somewhat of a cosmic enigma. These rings were only discovered in the late 20th century, and they continue to captivate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Yes, you heard it right. Jupiter has rings, and their discovery and exploration is a fascinating story. Our journey begins in the late 1970s, a time when space exploration was still in its infancy. A time of curiosity, audacious dreams, and the unquenchable thirst to explore the cosmos. In the midst of this era, a mission was launched that would forever change our understanding of the solar system. This mission was Voyager 1, a spacecraft designed to explore the outer realms of our celestial neighborhood. Voyager 1 was a marvel of human ingenuity, carrying with it the dreams and aspirations of a generation that looked to the stars for answers. As Voyager 1 approached the gas giant Jupiter in March of 1979, it was set to capture detailed images of the planet and its moons. But as it passed by, it picked up something unexpected, something that scientists had not anticipated. Amidst the grandeur of Jupiter's swirling storms, Voyager 1 detected a faint ring system. This wasn't the majestic visible spectacle that we associate with Saturn. No, this was a delicate, almost ethereal ring system, almost invisible against the backdrop of the cosmos. It was a discovery that took scientists by surprise. Why? Well, until that point, Saturn was considered the sole ring bearer of our solar system. The existence of Jupiter's faint rings challenged this notion and opened up a Pandora's box of questions. What were these rings made of? How did they form? And perhaps most intriguingly, did other planets too boast such hidden features? This accidental discovery marked the beginning of a new chapter in our understanding of Jupiter and its mysterious rings. A discovery that would fuel future exploration and forever alter our perception of the gas giant. And as we would come to learn, this was just the tip of the iceberg in understanding the complex and fascinating world of Jupiter's hidden rings. So, what exactly are these rings made of? That's the question that has been intriguing astronomers since the unexpected discovery of Jupiter's rings back in 1979. Unlike the bright icy rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are composed of small dark particles. These particles are believed to be the remnants of meteor bombardments of Jupiter's moons. Picture this: a meteor hurtling through space, colliding with one of Jupiter's moons, and in this violent encounter, a spray of dust and debris is ejected into space. Over time, these ejected particles orbit around Jupiter, forming its thin, elusive ring system. The main ring of Jupiter is primarily made up of such tiny dust grains. These particles are so small, they're often compared to the size of smoke particles on Earth, but don't let their size fool you. The story these particles tell is as grand as the universe itself. This ring, often referred to as the halo ring, is surprisingly dense and vertically extended. It's a cloudy, thick torus that surrounds Jupiter, adding an element of mystery to this giant planet. On the outer edge of the main ring, we find two fainter rings, named after their associated moons, Adrastea and Metis. These moons, acting as shepherd moons, help maintain the structure of the rings and add to their composition. As these moons orbit Jupiter, they gather up stray particles, keeping the rings confined and defined. What's fascinating is the color of Jupiter's rings. Unlike Saturn's bright icy rings, Jupiter's rings are dark, almost reddish, hinting at a complex composition. This color suggests that the particles could be made up of more than just dust and debris. They may contain organic compounds or even remnants from the early solar system, providing a glimpse into the past. These tiny particles form a thin, dark ring system that is difficult to see but fascinating to study. Each particle, each grain of dust, each speck of debris is a piece of the puzzle, helping us understand the mysteries of our solar system and beyond. Unlike the bright and easily visible rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are faint and complex. In fact, they are so elusive that they were only discovered in the late 20th century. But don't let their demure appearance fool you. These rings, much like the gas giant they encircle, are a spectacle of cosmic grandeur. Let's delve into the structure of Jupiter's rings, which are primarily composed of three key parts: the main ring, the halo, and the gossamer rings. Each of these components adds a unique layer to the ring system's fascinating architecture. The main ring, the brightest and most robust of the three, is a thin, flat band of particles. It's believed that these particles are the result of meteoroids smashing into Jupiter's moons, Adrastea and Metis, kicking up dust that then forms this ring. Above the main ring lies the halo, a rather thick but faint, toroidal or donut-shaped cloud of particles. This halo extends both above and below the main ring, creating a sort of celestial fog. Beyond the main ring, stretching outwards, are the gossamer rings. These are two faint rings composed of microscopic debris. Unlike the main ring, the gossamer rings are believed to be composed of dust particles ejected from the moons Amalthea and Thebe. What's truly intriguing is how Jupiter's moons influence the structure of these rings. The gravitational pull of these moons not only helps form the rings, but also maintains their shape and orientation. It's a cosmic dance of sorts, where the moons lead and the rings follow in a harmonious ballet. But the story doesn't end here. As we continue to explore and understand Jupiter's rings, we uncover more complexities and mysteries. For instance, the faintness of these rings suggests that the particles within them are irregularly shaped, not spherical as one might intuitively think. This irregularity scatters sunlight in various directions, making the rings difficult to see. Just as Jupiter dwarfs all other planets in our solar system, its ring system is a colossal and complex structure that continues to intrigue scientists. Our understanding of Jupiter's rings is still evolving. That's the beauty of space exploration. It's a never-ending journey of discovery. We've made significant strides in our knowledge about Jupiter's rings, largely thanks to the Galileo and Juno missions. The Galileo spacecraft, launched in 1989, provided the first close-up images of Jupiter's rings. It discovered that these rings are made up of microscopic dust particles, likely blasted off Jupiter's 4 inner moons by meteor impacts. The information gathered by Galileo greatly expanded our understanding of these elusive rings and paved the way for future explorations. Then came Juno, a solar-powered spacecraft, launched in 2011. Juno's mission is primarily focused on understanding more about Jupiter's composition, gravity field, and magnetic field. However, the data it provides also helps us piece together more about Jupiter's rings. Despite these advancements, there are still many questions that remain unanswered. For instance, what is the exact mechanism that forms these rings? Are there other forces at play we haven't discovered yet? And perhaps the most intriguing of all, could there be more rings waiting to be discovered? The quest for these answers keeps scientists on their toes and fuels the ongoing exploration. Space missions are being planned and telescopes are being pointed towards Jupiter, all with the aim of unveiling more about its hidden rings. As our technology improves and our understanding deepens, we're bound to uncover more about this gas giant and its mysterious rings. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, bringing us one step closer to fully understanding the complex nature of our solar system. As we continue to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, who knows what other secrets Jupiter's rings might reveal? The future of space exploration is exciting, and we're just getting started. So, let's keep looking up and keep exploring, because the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. So there you have it, an overview of Jupiter's hidden rings. We've journeyed through the unexpected discovery of these faint celestial bands, delved into their composition, and explored their intricate structure. We've also touched on the ongoing exploration of these rings and their significance in our understanding of the universe. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of our universe.